the Tirupati Laddu controversy, viewers. Now, after Chandrababu Naidu's scathing allegations on adulteration, the Tirupati Trust has come out and talked about the adulteration, the ghee that was used, the low quality ghee, how pig fat was found. And now Jagan Mohan Reddy has also responded to the allegations via a press conference, viewers. And in the latest, the Karnataka government is all set to issue a notice in this regard. Move by Karnataka government, all major temples to use only KMF Nandini's ghee for prasadam. Karnataka government in action now after this controversy. Karnataka minister saying that a circular will be issued very shortly to all the major temples in the state of Karnataka that they should use only Nandini ghee in prasadam. That's the big update we have right now, viewers, as this controversy is only exploding as far as Andhra Pradesh's Tirumala temple is concerned. And now Karnataka government is planning to issue this circular. And there is, of course, the topic of the issue of using poor quality, low quality ghee, usage of pig fat, of beef tallow have emerged in the lab test report. And here is the Karnataka government issuing the notice to all the major temples in the state of Karnataka. My colleague Deepak is joining us live right now on the broadcast. And viewers, Deepak, last year, what we understand is that there was a halt in the supply of the Nandini ghee also during the YSRCP regime, Deepak. And this low quality ghee that is being used is now under scanner. The lab test reports have showed the adulteration. It has been proven. The TTD is also now admitting that there was adulteration in the laddus, in the samples that were found. And now the Karnataka government is in action saying that only Nandini ghee should be used in all the major temples in the state.
That's right, Rakshita. Now, it's not only just about adulteration, it's also a matter of faith, because prasadam is also a very sacred offering that the temple gives all its devotees for visiting and also offering their obeisance. And now, after what's happening in Andhra Pradesh over the Tirupati Laddu, the Karnataka government, which has been warned by the BJP, saying that even the laddus or the prasadam that is issued across Karnataka temples will also be screened and will also be checked for animal fat, because this has given a wake-up call for everybody. It's not just about Andhra Pradesh, it's not just about Karnataka, but also temples across the country on the kind of ingredients that are being used. Now, the reason why Karnataka believes that Nandini ghee must be used is because of the kind of quality that the KMF Nandini ghee offers. And if you remember, Akshita, even the Tirupati Laddu at one point in time was being made by using Nandini ghee, and due to various reasons the supply of Nandini ghee was stopped by the Andhra Pradesh government, the then Andhra Pradesh government, when it was stopped. And now, in the backdrop of what's happening in Andhra Pradesh, the Karnataka Muzrai Minister Ramalinga Reddy has issued a circular. He said that the circular will be issued either today or tomorrow across all temples in Karnataka to use only Nandini ghee, because that's the standard that is approved by all the temples, and they don't want another situation like Andhra Pradesh to happen in Karnataka. So that's why this entire protocol is now being followed, that only Nandini ghee will be used in any prasadam at any temple in Karnataka.
Absolutely. In fact, my colleague Smita is also joining us from the R Kannada newsroom in Bengaluru. Now, Smita, as in fact Deepak was also saying that there was the usage of a Nandini ghee that was in fact used in those Tirupati temples, which was in fact halted last year. The sourcing was stopped by the Jagan Mohan Reddy government. I think it was citing the rise of prices. Tell us more about the backstory of it. Now that Karnataka government is planning to move, issue a circular in this regard.
It was a tug of war between the KMF and TTD regarding the price of the ghee, which was, supplied to TTD for, making of the Laddu Prasadam. It was from decades that KMF used to send Nandini ghee to Tirupati, especially for making the Laddu Prasadam. But when there were tender called for the, suppliers of the ghee for the Prasadam, it was heard that the then Jagan Mohan Reddy government had taken a few more other vendors who offered the price much lesser than KMF, compromising the quality. This is a bigger issue now. Even we got the reaction from the sitting KMF president over here in Karnataka after this Tirupati Prasadam issue raised recently. He was telling, Bhima Nayak, the president of KMF, was telling that KMF never compromises on the quality. The price may be slightly higher than the other ghees, but the KMF Nandini ghee has the best quality. It has been proven through several lab tests. So this is the statement from KMF. And now, as you are rightly quoting, in the year between 2013 and 18, KMF had stopped supplying ghee to Tirupati. But now, after Siddharamaya's second term government came to power, there were fresh tender, called from TTD. And now TTD is also getting the supply from KMF. But now, after the Tirupati issue, the Prasadam issue, the government in Karnataka, that too Mujrai Minister Ramalinga Reddy has said that the temple Prasadam over here in Karnataka will also be sent to scrutiny, and all major temple which will come under Mujrai department will be instructed to use only KMF or Nandini ghee for the Prasadam, is the statement from Ramalinga Reddy, the Mujrai Minister in Karnataka.